everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And this is part 2 of my online shopping unboxing haul. So part 1 was uploaded a few days ago and we unboxed a ton of stuff. And today we're going to continue that. We have sneakers, we have a couple of watches, we have some gadgets. It's going to be fun. Let's go. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I really need a haircut. Please make sure that you do so because we are going to announce the winner of the Saucony sneaker in your size giveaway on Monday. So I'm supposed to announce it today, but I'm a day late, so pagpasensya nyo na. So make sure that you watch tomorrow's vlog so you see if you guys won a brand new sneaker in your size. So to kick things off, I want to unbox a sneaker. So this one is from the Nike ISPA line. ISPA stands for Improvise, Scavenge, Protect, and Adapt. This one is actually called the Nike Overreact Sandal ISPA. So the details of the sneaker can be found down there on the tag. And this is one crazy shoe slash sandal. I mean, the React execution of this one is literally crazy alien levels. So this is what the sandal slash sneaker looks like. It is insane. Take a look at that chunky execution of React on the midsole. It is literally overreact slash over exaggerated slash crazy levels. I mean, you have the weird texture jotting left and right, the random pattern. Even if you take a look at the bottom, it's as crazy. And then if you move up, it's actually more of a sandal build because there are a lot of areas where it is open, specifically at the top and at the side. And you have, for some reason, Velcro straps. You have the lacing system over here. And I think this qualifies both as a sneaker and a sandal because you can wear it as such. But yeah, I'll be doing like an on-feet review of this on a separate vlog, separate video. But let me know what you guys think of this sneaker slash sandal down below. Would you buy it? Would you wear it? Let me know. The next item is this. Speaking of something for sneakers, so this is called the Cumulus Insole Boost. So it's like made out of supposedly boost material that you can insert or substitute for the insole of your shoe. So if you're wearing leather shoes or if you're wearing sneakers and you want them to be a little bit more comfortable, you can actually try this out. Now I will be reviewing this on Instagram, so watch out for my post on my Instagram. If you haven't followed me yet, please do so. Post a lot of pictures of watches as well as sneakers and my cats and mini product reviews like this one. So check that out. It will be on my IG very soon. Next, we have this package from Tokyo. So Tokyo, not the city. So Tokyo is like a watch store slash Japanese brand store that you can find in malls. So my favorite branch is the one in Podium Mall. Second floor, they are selling Seiko, Casio G-Shocks, Anello bags, I think, if I'm not mistaken, and even a brand of shirts and accessories for men and women. So they are one of my favorite shops when I want to go Seiko and G-Shock shopping. And I want to show you some of my latest pickups from their store. You probably remember this watch, which is the one-piece G-Shock limited edition watch that I got straight out of Japan. If you guys haven't seen this yet, I did a review of this one, which you can find in my dedicated watch channel. Please do subscribe to that channel as well. Now, one of the questions I kept being asked in that video is, will this release in the Philippines? The answer to that is in this box because this is actually the very same watch. I now have two. This is the G-Shock Casio Part 2 kasi dalawa na sila in my collection. So I was actually able to get this from our friends from Tokyo. The shop that pretty much confirms that they will be selling it. So if you guys want one, you better hit them up. You better ask them when the actual release date is, how much it will go for, and try to see if you can reserve a piece. Because man, if you are a one-piece fan, this is an absolutely stunning piece. So we have two. I can now wear one on my left and one on my right, but you guys get the idea. If you are thinking of buying one, the retail price is 14,000. Oh, 14,250, guys. The resale of this right now, it's selling for over 20,000 pesos globally. And even if you want to find one in the Philippines, people are selling it for 25,000 and up. So if you can get this for SRP, at 14,250. This is an absolute steal right now, given the prices of aftermarket for this piece. So again, check them out. Tokyo, second floor podium. My favorite, well, currently my favorite watch shop slash tambayan over at Podium. Chances are you'll probably see me there during weekends with a face shield and face mask, of course. Another question I keep getting asked is, Carlo, what's the best watch that you can buy for like under 5,000 pesos or under 4,000 pesos? I have the answer for you guys. It's in this box. So this, if I'm not mistaken, is called the Seiko military field watch. It's called the field watch because it's supposed to be durable. You're supposed to tell time with it, and it's supposed to be easy to read, and it keeps time really well. Now, I have it in 3 colors. They sell anywhere from I think they sell for around 3-4 in Tokyo if you buy it there. So that is already an absolute steal given the value of what you're getting. This is already an automatic watch. It's 37 millimeters in diameter, and it just looks really nice. I mean, take a look at that, guys. So this is the black watch. So this is the Seiko military black watch. Comes in that really nice black strap. I really like this one. Very easy to wear. Again, sells for just a little over 3,000. I mean, some people buy Fossil watches and other brands of watches for like over 10,000, and there's still like a quartz movement, not automatic. So this one, not only does it have a really nice story, it's a military field watch, it's also an automatic, and it comes in different colors, and it sells for a little over 3,000. This one is in the navy blue color. So the dial is in blue, the strap as well is in blue, and again, guys, this is already an automatic watch. And this, the last color, is my absolute favorite, because if you talk military, you really have to talk about, or you have to see, military green. And this one, man, oh man, this is an absolute beaut and an absolute steal for 3,400. So take a look at that. Let me just let the camera focus. So military green field watch from Seiko, automatic, sells for over 3,000, and it is 37 millimeters. Now, the problem is I can't wear it myself because I have a big wrist. But hey, if you have normal or narrow wrists, this works really well for you. I really feel that this is one of the best first automatic watches, casual automatic watches that you would want to get. Now, if you want it in bracelets, steel bracelets, they also have a version of that. Sells for a little higher, I think around 3,800. But if you ask me, this one has more of a story, more heritage, and it just looks really kick-ass. Next, we have RFID carbon fiber / steel slim wallets from the local brand Christoph and Rail Co. So they sent over these 3 wallets for me to share with you guys. So they are a local company, a Filipino brand. They're actually, I think the founders are students. So they are Ateneans, if I'm not mistaken. So this one is the first one. And actually, this is one of my favorites because it's just a sleek black slim wallet made out of steel, and then you have the money clip at the back, and then you can put your cards inside this one. So very sleek, very easy to use, and it won't take up too much space on your bag or your pocket. This one is another model that they have, which is, let me just take out the tag. This one is in some sort of like carbon. Take a look at that. So carbon plating or carbon fiber, top, bottom, money clip. This one I'll probably use a lot, especially when I travel. By the way, I think they are RFID, anti-RFID, so your cards can't be scanned if you are outside the country. This one is more of a steel gray color, silver. So you can take your pick between the black, the carbon, or this one. I'll link down below to their website where you can purchase one. And last but not the least, we have this new tablet that I picked up from Samsung, which is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. I will be doing a comprehensive review of this very soon, and I won't be unboxing it specifically because it's already outside of the box, and I've been using it a lot the last few days. So this has been one of my laptop replacements. So I use it to, well, browse the web, watch videos, Netflix. It has a pencil or a pen that goes with it, a nice keyboard, very lightweight, gorgeous display, by the way. And it is a joy to play One Punch Man on this one. A huge addict of One Punch Man, the mobile app and the mobile game. So this one is the last gadget. Again, watch out for the review. It will be dropping very soon. Those are the gadgets and the stuff that's going to be part 2 of my online shopping haul, part 2/6.0. Let me know which of the gadgets or items you guys love the most. And as a special treat for everybody who decided to watch until this part of the vlog, I have a very special treat for you. All you have to do is to comment down below which of the 3 colors you guys like the most. Do you like the black? Do you like the gray? Or do you like the carbon? And I will be picking 1 or 2 winners that can get any of these 3 wallets from, again, Christoph and Rail Co. I will be drawing the winners maybe in, I don't know, like 3 days. It's just a short raffle. So this is really more for the people who have been loyal to this channel and watched the video until the very end without me announcing at the start that there is a giveaway. So think of it as a surprise giveaway. So again, do that, comment down below, don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, I'll announce the winner very soon. And with that said, this is Carlo signing out as usual, guys. I hope you are all positive with life, negative with COVID. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.